Hello all you wonderful people out there. How are you all doing today? Well, this is a £2 UK coin, 2015. So, what was going on in 2015? Well, in 2015, significant events included the Paris attacks by ISIS, Syrian refugee crisis, and the adoption of the Iran nuclear deal. Additionally, the year saw major incidents like the German wing plane crash and ongoing tensions in various global conflicts. Oh, nothing new there then, is there, eh? History repeats itself, as they say. Right, first of all, let's bang a hole. Well, no, we didn't bang a hole in it because I want to use this part. This is going to be one coin, the centre part. This is going to be today's ring, the outer part. So, we'll put it in our little doming block, and we shall try and knock it out. Try and get it straight would be a good idea. But that's good enough. This bit will be Thursday's coin ring. So I'm going to put that somewhere safe. I'm going to lose it. And this is today's. So, let's show a bit of affection with Bernie. He nearly got me. That's a little bit warm. Yeah, if you're new to the channel and you'd like to subscribe, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner, about there. You hit that, stuff happens, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Right, now we'll go over. It's a big red, and we want this sunny side up on the ring, so that's going to go face down in our 17-degree folding die. Put a bit of Luby-Loo in there. Luby-Loo. Yeah, a bit of a dreary day today, so I didn't go. I can't be asked if it's raining. I mean, none of the holiday makers are interested in stopping, you know. They want to keep their hair wet. I love the old girls, they put them little bags on their head and God knows what, it's brilliant. Right, that should be, not quite, it moved. We don't want a wobbly ring, do we? No, we don't. Last thing I want on a Tuesday is a wobbly ring. Okie dokie. That's good, y'all. And we want to clean this bit up. It's a bit rough where it's it holds the centre part in. Look at this. New. Or newish. So I've had Sandy, we've had Emma. Who's this then? Maybe a little bit more. That ain't too bad. Right, let's go over to Spike. I mean, this will be quite a short video because we didn't need to do a lot to this coin, really. Not this part, anyway. Didn't get a hole banged in it. But it's good you can get two rings out of one coin. Because the centre part's quite big in these £2 coins, so I'll probably get some flack for destroying a £2 coin. But hey, nothing there new, neither. Nothing new there. There's hardly any bow in it. It's so thin. I quite like these rings. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. I do custom orders and... Right, let's show a bit more love with Bernie. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's even a, you can contact me there as well. You can send me your own coins if you want. Right, that should do. It's great having a full cup of water instead of like hardly anything. Right, let's dip down to the arse end of Spike and see what we got. I'm already there. Change it first, big brother. There's a bit there. Make sure it's square. Touch more. Just a touch. There you go, straight walls. Excuse me. Right. Oops. There he is. Just want to cut that little lip out that's around the edge. It's a drizzly day, but it's very close. There's not much air today. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's dig out Dave the Dremel. Who's in there? Okay. Let's clean it up a bit. And the reeds. There you go, not too shabby. How's that looking? Quite nice. £2. Right, I will polish it up. I do like this look. I call it the Edwin look, but I'll polish it up. If you prefer the Edwin look, I can always run over it again with Kate. So, not to worry there. It's my polish. Hey, look, with the lid still. Right. A little bit there. And a little bit there. And replace the lid, like a good boy. Right. Felton John is installed. Right, let's get to it. Yeah, it's coming up good. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, clean off the mingus. What have we got? Oh baby, yeah. Slightly cleaner cloth. Here's one here. There you go, folks. £1 coin ring. It ain't looking that hot, is it? Let's get a bit more. It looks nice from a distance. A bit like me, really. At a distance, I look pretty good. But you get closer, you know. Things aren't as good as they used to be. This young mother came along with a pram with a kid in it. I suppose, I don't know, a year old maybe, I don't know, about age of kids and stuff. And this other little girl, I suppose, I don't know. She was a tiny little thing. She could speak. I don't know, 5 or 6, God knows. And she was looking at my little mini pendants. They're only 10 euros, like, you know. And she's, you know, they was on holiday. I was on the ship, so, you know, they must have had some money. But my mum says, no, we can't afford it. So I says to her, I says to this little girl, I said, what one do you like? Which one do you like best? She hummed and hawed, and she pointed this particular one. So I put it on a necklace for her. I said, there you go. I said, that's for you as a present from Finland and her mum. She couldn't hand it at all. I nearly broke into tears as well. She said, let me pay for it. I said, no, don't be silly. I said, to me, it's, you know. I said, glad I could give it to her. And she had tears in her eyes. Poor kid. Poor mother. Which got me going a bit. But I managed to hold it together because I'm pretty emotional most of the time. Right. What size have we got? Just over 13 and a half. Yeah, 13 and a half, just over. There you go, folks. That was today, £2 coin. And then Thursday, I'm going to do the other part that was in there. So thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your comments. Hit the like button. Hit the don't like button. Hit all the bloody buttons. And show me some love. Thanks again. Have a great day. And God willing, if we're all still here, I'll see you Thursday. So bye-bye.